Hi, I'm Zaphel Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru. This is a Harbour Freight drill. This is the Harbour Freight drill bit. Look at how worthless that cross point thing has become. Totally worn out. Anyway, the drill died and I had been quietly using it and it smoked badly, and then started getting a bit funky about when it would actually go, and sometimes it needed to cool down for a bit before it would go. So I don't know what's going on with it. I suspect that the carbon brushes have burned out. That wouldn't surprise me. And it's the cheapest of cheap things from China, or Harbour Freight China, Harbour China Freight. Anyway, so I'm going to take a look at it and see exactly what the score is. Now, I haven't bought myself, and I'm not going to buy another Harbour Freight drill, and I could take this one back and say, look, it doesn't work, because they've got a very good return policy. But the problem is, if I replaced it with another Harbour Freight drill, I would get another Harbour Freight drill problem. And rather than have, and Harbour Freight is 20 miles away, Walmart is 10 miles away, and I got myself a Walmart drill now for very little more than the price of this Harbour Freight thing. So we'll just have to see. There we go. I think that's the last of the screws. Are there any more screws? I don't think there are. So let us see. Pry it apart. I think I've got all the screws. Doesn't seem to want to come apart. Okay, give it a little bit of a lever. Seems to be binding up here, and I don't know why. There's a spirit level up there, but in fact I hadn't really noticed there's a spirit level, but so we're going to get the screwdriver in there, give it a little bit of welly. Okay, it does not want to come apart. Why does it not want to come apart? And I've got all the I have all the screws out. So let me pause, and I might have to get a little bit destructive. And we are back in action. I found the problem was I'd missed a screw. They're not easy to see, the black screws in a black hole. Oops. Okay, bit more unscrewing action needed. There we go. Now, there we are. Now, I can immediately see that the coating is burned off there. That's a nice little spirit level. I'll have that. The carbon brushes, which are here, how do they come out? They're probably, I thought that moved then. Yeah. Aha. Right. So we've got that out. Now, so we'll look at the carbon brushes. So look at this one. No, the brushes aren't worn out. I'm going to say it's probably that the armature is burned out. Yes, you can definitely see scorch marks there and there. This thing has just burned out. And it's a shame, because it actually worked and it's quite a decent little drill. Apart from the chuck kept undoing itself all the time. And I was going to lay the blame in the trigger, because it seemed to make a difference to whether I tilted it one way or the other, but having seen the armature is burned, there's nothing much that can be done about this. This cannot be resurrected. It is dead.